Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off notifications on Grailed. Now here are the step-by-step processes to turn off notification on the Grailed web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. In the website, if prompted, click the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password or use the Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Grailed dashboard or homepage, which we have in here. In the top right corner of this homepage, hover over your profile icon and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, click on My Account. And that's going to take you here. Now you have profile settings, and right under profile settings, you have privacy. Now head over to the left navigation panel. You have addresses, you have messages, purchases, my account, profile settings, addresses, my sizes, payments, notifications, and devices. Select notifications. And that's going to open you up to the notification preference window, where you can now manage what types of alerts and notifications you want to receive. In the news and promotions section or category, you're going to see different types of notifications that you can manage, and they include curated style, Grailed blog dry clean only, Grailed exclusives, new messages, offer update, price drops, follow searches, shipping updates, repost updates, seller tips and tools, and authentication. So right here where you have email and push notifications, you have check boxes right next to them. Now, where you have the email section, uncheck the box that is right next to any of the notifications that you want to manage. You can uncheck for email and you can also uncheck for push notification. Now, just follow through the process, keep on unchecking, and once you keep on unchecking, you'll see a banner here that says notifications changed successfully, meaning whatever change you make, it is automatic. A banner pop-up or a pop-up appears showing you that your changes have been made successfully. So keep on checking the box, and once you uncheck the box, that means switching off the notification type. And that's pretty much it. So go back to, once you're done with all of that, you can verify the notification settings by going back to this window again. Notification to be sure that the changes have been saved. So make sure that the toggles for unwanted notifications are turned off, or the check boxes, rather not toggles, are definitely checked off. And that's just pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.